Okay, so here we have the second part of the video review for 6.1 to 6.3 quiz. We're going to do the log evaluations here. So we'll start with number 14. To do these, you set them equal to x and change them to an exponent. So this would be 27 to the x equals 3. Now I'm going to look for the same base. They both have a base of 3. 27 is 3 to the third. So that would be 3 to the 3x. 3 is 3 to the first. So now that I have the same base of 3, I'm going to set the exponent of the first 3x equal to the exponent of the second, and then just solve. So divide by 3. So this log is equal to 1/3. Number 15, same thing. 81 to the x would be 27. These again have a common base of 3. 81 is 3 to the fourth, so 3 to the 4x. 27 is 3 to the third. They have the same base, so I can set the exponent of the first, 4x, equal to the exponent of the second, 3. Divide by 4, so this log is equivalent to 3/4. 16. Set it equal to x. Set up your log equation. So 11 to the x equals 1 over 121. So the common base is 11 because 121 is 11 squared. So the first thing I'm going to do is change just the 121 to 11 squared. Then I need these 11s to be both up on the same level, let's say. So I'm going to move this 11 squared up. And by properties of exponents, that 2 is just going to become negative. So this is 11 to the negative second. Now they have the same base. You just set the first exponent equal to the second exponent, and I'm done. So that log is equal to a -2. 17, same thing. So they all start the same. You're always changing to an exponent. 8 to the x equals 1 over 64. Now, since 64 is 8 squared, the common base is 8. They also have a common base of 2, but the higher you get, the better. Now, this is identical to the one before it. I can just bring this 8 to the second up to make it 8 to the -2. Now I have the same base, so I set the exponent of the first, which is x, equal to the exponent of the second, which is -2, and I am done. 2 more questions on this page. We have the log base 4 of 8, so as always, set it equal to x, change it to an exponential equation, identify the base. So they have a common base of 2 because 4 is 2 squared. So that's 2 to the second to the x, which is 2 to the 2x, and 8 is 2 to the third. They have the same base, set the exponents equal to each other, divide by 2. So this log is equal to 3/2. Last one. Change it to an exponent. So 1 over 25 to the x equals 125. The common base here is 5. So I have 1 over 5 squared equals 125 is 5 cubed. I need to get them on the same level, so I have to raise this 5 squared up to make it 5 to the -2. I have that x up here still, so times x. So now I have the same base. I'm going to set the exponents equal to each other, divide by a -2, and I am done. So that was all the log evaluations, 14 through 19. The next video is going to be the rest of it, and we'll get to that. So there you go.